Hello everyone, I am Sikandar Aburakeb. Welcome to my video tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to install and use XAMPP on your Windows PC. So what is XAMPP? So if I go to the official website of Apache Friends, we can see what is XAMPP. So here we can see XAMPP is the most popular PHP development environment. So you can create your local web development environment by using XAMPP. So what does XAMPP include? XAMPP includes MariaDB, PHP, Perl, Apache distribution altogether. So now we'll see how to install XAMPP on your PC. If I go to the download page of Apache Friend, you can see the download page. So they have different features like Linux, Mac and Windows. So as our interest is installing XAMPP on Windows, so I'm selecting the second one, PHP version 7.0.15. So it is downloading. For the interest of time, I am pausing the video. My download is completed. I am going to start installing it. So it will start install soon. So it has been started to install. Some step-by-step features will come, and it is very easy to install by clicking next. Here we can select which features we want to include or we want to exclude. I am excluding the feature that I don't want. I want Apache, MySQL, PHP and php myadmin. So I am unselecting the other things that I don't want. So then clicking next, and XAMPP will be installed into C drive. Next, and then clicking next and next. It is installing. It will take a little bit time to install on your machine. Now it is finished. So I don't want the control panel, and clicking the finish button, I'm going to XAMPP control panel, selecting the language as English, and save it. Then XAMPP control panel will come in front of us, and this is the way that we can install the XAMPP on our PC. Then how to start and stop the XAMPP. So from this control panel we can start and stop Apache server, MySQL and other features. But as we did not install other features, so here the start buttons are disabled. So we are going to start the Apache server for the first time, and as it is green, so it is okay, and port number is there, and we are clicking the MySQL server, and it has been started. So we can start Apache and MySQL, and if we need, we can stop the services anytime, like I stopped it here, the MySQL and Apache server, and again I am starting Apache server and MySQL server. So by this way we can start and stop our XAMPP Apache distribution. Then what is htdoc folders? So if we go to the XAMPP folder, and within that folder we will find another folder called htdocs. So if we go inside that folder, we will get the web root of our local development server. Here we can put our project folders and files to show into the localhost web browser. So I am writing localhost. So I am getting the welcome page of XAMPP official site, and if this page comes, that means your installation is perfect and you are good to go. So if we want to create our first test file into the local web server development environment, like if I create a file like test.php, and write some code over there and try to run it in the local server, then we will be able to see it into the browser. So I am going to write the PHP code. I opened the file in a notepad. I have written a very simple PHP code here and I saved it, and going to the browser, I'm writing test.php after the localhost, and I'm getting the file from PHP. The echo command is working. So this is your first file that you can put into your web root and test your local development server. Now, what is php myadmin? If I go to the localhost and php myadmin, then this interface will come, php myadmin. This interface will help us to create and maintain MySQL or MariaDB database. So it is a graphical user interface. You can create MySQL database here. I am creating one named MyDB. So here the name of my database, MyDB. So this is the way that we can create graphically MySQL database. So if I want to check the version of the installed servers like Apache server and the PHP version, we can do it, and we can also see it our version or check it the version from the official website of Apache Friends. And if I click here, we can see the version names of the server, PHP, and other features. From the either way, we can check the versions of the PHP and MySQL and Apache server. Now I will see how to connect MySQL through MySQL Shell. I am going to XAMPP. Here you see within the XAMPP folder we have Apache folder to control the Apache server. We have PHP folder to control the PHP, and likewise we have MySQL to control the MySQL features. And within that MySQL, I am selecting bin folder and I am opening the command terminal from bin folder to open the MySQL shell from here. I am writing MySQL dash host localhost dash u root dash p and clicking enter. So I got the MariaDB, which is same as MySQL. So I am checking the databases by using show databases command. So it is showing us the databases, and we are looking MariaDB database that we have created from the php myadmin graphical user interface. If I write the quit command, so we can quit from the MySQL or MariaDB shell. So as we usually do to uninstall all of our Windows programs, we can install the XAMPP. If I go to control panel and uninstall program, we'll get XAMPP, and after selecting that, if we uninstall it, it will be uninstalled from your system. So I can review a bit what I have discussed today. I discussed what is XAMPP, how to install it, how to start and stop XAMPP, and what is htdocs folder, and what is the root folder of your local web development server, what is php myadmin, and how to check the php mysql version from your installation, and how to connect MySQL shell, and last of all, how to uninstall the XAMPP. I think this tutorial will be informative for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.